Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to ventilate kinky coily hair using ventilating needle. So with that said, let's go straight into the video. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and draw in your hairline on the lace wig cap. I have a separate video showing you guys how to make this wig cap. The link to that video is in the description box down below. Okay, so now moving on to the next step, you want to go ahead and cut your hair into the length you want for the process. So for me, I cut mine into 6. So right here, I'm going ahead to take a teeny tiny amount of the kinky braiding hair. So right here, you want to go ahead and take a tiny amount to start with. So okay, so next go ahead and fold it over just like this, making sure to have a short end and a long end. So you want to have one short end and one long end. So next go ahead and fold it over just as I'm doing in this video to create a loop. Just like this. So now it's time to start ventilating. So I've already started. So right here, close to the ear part of the lace or the mannequin, I'm using only one strand of hair. Pass the ventilating needle through one hole on the lace. So next, hook one strand of hair and pull it through. So next, hook the hair and pull the hair through the loop to secure the knot in place. When you're pulling the hair through the loop, you want to make sure that the knot is properly secured in place. And also, I have a very detailed, a separate video, a very detailed and close-up video showing you guys how to properly use the ventilating needle. So the link to that video is in the description box down below. So if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and click on it if you want to learn more on how to use the ventilating needle. Okay, so moving on, like I said, you want to, on this particular part of the lace, you only want to use one strand of hair and you want to make sure to skip every other hole to get that natural looking hairline around the front and also around the ear. Again, on this particular part of the lace, you only want to use one strand of hair and skip every other hole. So after pulling the hair through the loop, if the knot is loose, what you can do, you can just pull on that particular strand, right? Pull on it. That will help to tighten the knot at the root. So I'm done with this part of the lace. This is how this area is looking like. Look at that. So when working with a coily hair like this, you don't want to overcrowd the lace. So that's why it's good to to space it out by skipping every other hole. So right here, I'm working on the area close to the black cap, as you can see right here. Right here, close to the black cap, I'm using 2 strands of hair. Again, at this particular area right here, close to the black cap, I'm using 2 strands of hair and also I'm spacing it out by skipping every other hole on the lace. So getting close to the front of the lace on this particular area that I'm working on, I'm going to switch from 2 strands of hair to 1 strand of hair in order to achieve that natural looking hairline at the very front of the lace. So like I said, getting close to the front hairline, you want to switch from 2 strands of hair to 1 strand of hair. And also you want to make sure to space out the hair by skipping every other hole. Depending on how full you want the front of your wig to be, you can either skip one hole or two, depending on how full you want it to be. Again, you want to make sure to switch from two strands of hair to one strand of hair, getting close to the front of the hairline. If possible, put a 1 inch mark or half an inch mark on your lace. That way you will know that when you get to that particular line, you need to switch from two strand to one strand, beginning from that line that you marked on the lace. So just draw in a line, remind yourself that starting from this line, I'm going to switch from two strands to one strand. So doing that will help you to just keep track of what you are doing. And also remember, guys, you always want to take your time. You do not want to rush a process like this. You need to take lots of breaks, okay? Relax and get back to it. Don't need to overwork yourself. The more time you give yourself to create your wig, the more beautiful and the more you will love the final result. So like I said earlier, I have a separate video, a more detailed and close-up video showing you guys how to properly use the ventilating needle. The link to that video is in the description box down below. So the link for the ventilating needle, the lace and everything I used in this video are in the description box down below. So be sure to check the description box for more details or for the links of the things in the video. Here is the final result of the lace frontal wig. Look at this, so beautiful and looks so natural. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.